everyone, welcome back to the channel. New videos every Tuesday, and today we have some stuff here. So we got 2 Darkness Ablaze packs and lane blisters. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna open these up. There. Here are the 2 codes. I don't know. The same code, no. Then we have Silicobra in the Q font. And we have the hollow versions of them. Copperjaw, which I like the most, and then Silicobra. Super cool. And then these are the same coins, but Shaman coin. Oh no, I thought we had one of each artwork. Now I'm sad. Okay, it's fine. Okay. Well, there. I don't know. Alright, so we're gonna go with this one first. Okay. Energy, Rare Fossil, Furret, Flaffy, Nicket, Bone Sweet, Stubble, Melton, Bunnelby, another Bone Sweet, and Mr. Rhyme, which is actually a really cool card. Scary how that opened like that. 2, 3, 4 to this. Here we go. Okay. Spinarak, Larvesta, I think. I don't know. Golett, Skitty, Energy, Toxapex. Whoa. Big Parasol. Shinotic, First Carablast, and ooh, that's a nice. Oh, look at that. Awesome. Oh, I'm excited now. Okay, so we just got a full art. Awesome. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. I know I don't sound excited, but I'm very excited. Okay. I have to be kind of quiet. Oh my god, look at this. It's so pretty. Aw. Look at it. Stunfisk V. That is awesome. It's kind of scary how that last one opened up, though. There we go. 2, 3, 4. Here. Sorry. Okay. Purloin, Starly, I think, Aron, Cubchoo, Rowlet, Energy, Turbo Patch, Dartrix, Saravia, Pures, and oh my gosh, 2 in a row. 2 amazing pulls in a row. We got a, what the heck is that? Whatever it is, it's awesome. You got a Grimmsnarl V. Let's put this in a sleeve. Whoa. You got Darkness Ablaze sleeve. Awesome pulls. Oh my god, I'm like, what the heck is going on? Four to the front. Energy, Layeron, Simipour, Spikemuth, whatever that is. It's kind of a weird name for some random thing. Gothita, Nicket, Rookidee, and Muck. That's it. New videos every Tuesdays. Sorry if I forget, but I have school, so it's like kind of hard to remember sometimes. But thank you guys for watching. What awesome pulls. This, I don't know if this was this, but it was good luck. So thank you guys. Bye.